So here we will study about T cell activation. So T cells are produced in the bone marrow from hematopoietic stem cells, and after becoming T cell precursor, they move into the thymus, and from thymus they circulate in blood until they recognize the antigen on the surface of antigen presenting cells. So what happens is when T cells are circulating in a blood circulation, so when T cells haven't recognized any APC, then they are known as naive T cells, and they are in G0 phase of the cell cycle. So when they come in